Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. So I know it's been a while since my last video, but I'm super excited to back with amazing content here. So today in this video, we are not going to cover anything specific or we are covering any topic, but this is like an insightful video. Like I'm sharing few technologies and not such technologies, but tools, how you can increase your productivity. Okay, so I was just exploring. So suppose we have one GitHub repository and you want to open this repository inside your VS Code. So how you can do that? You can just put one S on your GitHub URL and it will probably ask you for the authentication. So what you have to do, you have to just authorize your account and all those. Oh, sorry, I cannot. Yeah, I cannot use the mobile authentication as of now. So once you will verify your credentials and all the things with this, so as you can see, you have one VS Code inside your browser for that particular repo. Okay, so this was the first, and here you can do whatever stuff you want to do. So this is let me check, can we open the terminal here? No, I don't think so. We cannot open terminal. Yeah, but you can see all the things, like you can basically the readability of your code, like in the GitHub. I don't think so that was a good to like open your code and expand all the files. Here you are getting some similar experience to your editor, but like in VS Code you are editing, you are just opening file collapse and all those inside VS Code. So the same environment you are getting here. Now if I want to do the development here, so how can I do that? Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to just go to your GitHub and repository. What you can do, there is a concept called workspaces or code spaces. So you can go here and create your new code space. What you can do, you can create any repo here. Let me again select that Git services, and it will ask you the branch for which branch you want to create this code space, and like where would be the reason, and like you want 2 core or 4 core. Let me select 4 core, your machine type, and just click on create code space. Can you just imagine what it will do? It will create and provide you the entire environment, a virtual environment, a complete entire VM. Yeah, exactly. Can you see here? I'm getting my username, my workspace, and my repo, and in which branch I am right now. So can you just see how efficient this is? And will you imagine that I have all the dependencies, like if I check here for the like Java version, even though this is the .NET project, you can see I have OpenJDK. Okay, so if I want to check for the Docker version, I have Docker as well in this machine. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah. So if I want to change anything, like I have this controller, I want to, let me allow this, I want to create one more file, let me write as test controller.cs. and what you can do, you can define all the things, and it is asking you to install few extension like the C# dev kit and whatever extension. Moreover, I would say you can create your entire space, code space, like the extensions you want or the particular configuration you want to perform with your particular this editor. You can do that. You can install as many extensions as you want. Yeah, but there would be some limit. And what you can do, you can also, like if I show you, I have changed here one file. I think showing me some changes. Okay, so I now created one file which is called test controller. I can do the git changes as well. I can commit, I can do whatever I want with this. So can you imagine how easy this is for us? Like now we do not need to carry our laptop or PC anywhere if we are coding somewhere. We just have internet connection, a PC with a browser. Inside that you can just log in into your GitHub and go to your code spaces and do whatever code you are doing, and just make PRs and deployment whatever you want. You are getting entire VM virtual machine or the code environment inside your GitHub as a code space. Okay, and the one more thing, I'm probably forgetting the name. Let me check what was that name. Let me go back here. There was something github.com slash, I'm not remember what was that. Ingest. Let me quickly go to Google. GitHub repo ingest. Let me check what was that. There was something. No, yeah, this was. No, I'm not looking for video. You are a local directory pull structure. Get ingest. Okay, let me again read this. What it is saying. Ingest, what you have to do. Probably you have to make change inside your URL. Get ingest in another solution that enables user to convert GitHub repository into structured text format, but simply replacing hub with ingest in. Okay, we have to like get ingest replace. We have to replace the hub with ingest. Let me try. Oh, boom. Can you see? We got it. But why I am not getting any files here? Okay, let's see. Do we get anything on ingest? Unexpected status code. Okay, let me try with some other repository. Let me try if I get something. So here's the C exchange. Let me go here and enter get ingest. Oh, this works. I don't know why it was not working for this. No, but this is working. Like you can see the whole directory structure I have, and this is giving some files content. Okay, but so this is moreover like if I want to see the high level what is the directory structure of my project. Okay, here I have some controllers, auth controllers, domain entities, a high level view if you want. So for that you can use this get ingest. And one more thing, I would like if you are working with like I want to create some template inside my GitHub. So what you will do, either you will create one repository with the name of template and you will put all the templates there, and instead what you can do, you can create gist on GitHub as well. Okay, so first see what is gist in GitHub. Okay, GitHub Gist is way to share code snippets, file or other text content on GitHub. Git repositories, which means they are automatically versioned and can be forked and cloned. Moreover, like a Git repository. Okay, so how can we do that? Let me show. I'm here. I'll go here. I'll create new gist. Ignore these old dev container 30 higher and all. So let me. What name would you like to give? Like some template 1 config. You can give like, I'm just giving as MD as of now, and you can give whatever extension you want for your gist. And here you can write content. Hola, I am GitHub Gist, and what you can do, you can create. Either you can create your public gist. If I'll create this as a public gist, it will be accessible to everyone in the internet who is just reaching to this URL. Or if I create this as a secret gist, only I can able to access this. Secret gists are hidden by search engines but visible to anyone you give the URL to. Okay, my bad. It's saying, okay, let's create one secret one and try. And this is the URL. Okay, but people will not find in the gist section. Okay, let me see if I can visit this. Yeah, I can visit this. So if I go to Kanaya Bhayana here, just, but you cannot see my that gist here. Are you getting that? Well, that was correct, that we can, my bad, I have to click on drop down. So secret gists are hidden by search engine but visible to anyone you give the URL to. Create public gist. So what can I add files as well here? But what is the difference? Like, again, I'm confusing. Okay, way to share code snippets, which means you don't want to share or create and use the entire repository for few configurations or the other templates. So in that case, you can create small gists and just give some snippet of code, like some pre-build, I would say. No, not exactly build, like some prerequisite, like you have some boilerplate code, exactly the boilerplate word I was missing. So you can keep some boilerplate extension and things over there. And one more thing I wanted to share with you all, like the forward ports on your VS Code. So now VS Code has a feature, you can make any your local URL public to anyone. What does that mean? If you are earlier, while developing, you were running anything on your local host 3000, like in React application, for that React application you are running on that your local host 3000. But if you want to give to your friend, like, please go and check it out, the layout and all those color combination of my website, like the UI, so now you can give a particular URL to that friend and he will be able to check all the, like, it will get this similar same interface that you are running on your local. But for that I have some confusions, like that was not, but that was not making your websites public. That is more than that. That is not that is not limited to your making your websites public and send it to your friends and just checking for the UI experience. But that is more than that. Like, you, if you are running some containers in your private network and you want to use that or make that request coming on your container particular port, you want to use that IPs or make a communication with your host machine and inside Linux particular containers, private network containers. So in that case also you can use the feature or facility of that forward port. So I am planning to make a video on forward ports as well. So soon you will get one video on that as well. That's an amazing feature. Like, I got the opportunity to explore that and that's amazing. I didn't know that it, how it was working, and that was some like boom for me, how this is working and all this. So that's all for this video. We'll come with that for port forwarding video, and I have also planned some amazing content for you all. So bear with me and wait. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. So yeah, that's all for this video. So I hope you found this video useful. If then like the video, subscribe my channel if you are new here, and press that bell notification for the latest updates. See you.